Hello everyone, today I will be demonstrating how these very cool Sgt.Frog sound drop keychains work. The super awesome Sgt.Frog anime series is about frog-like aliens trying to invade and conquer Earth. Sgt.Frog, the leader of the ARMPIT platoon, is trying to conquer Earth, but is at the mercy of a human family. Anyways, getting back to the point, today I will be demonstrating how these very cool Sgt.Frog sound drop keychains work. So basically, what you do to activate the sound drop keychain is you just tap the face or character on the sound drop. And that concludes our Sgt.Frog sound drop keychain video. Thank you for watching.